guys, today we are telling you how to do a surprise for your mother or father or your brother, anybody from your family or not your family. Today, if you want to make it a surprise, you can tell him you are making something so it can be a surprise. And we're going to tell you how to do TinckerCad today. This square, every square has a job. Like they can do this up and this one, click like this. You can move it like this and you can move it to the other side too. Like this part, you can move it like this. Okay. So today we're going to get the text and get it 3 times because we're going to make 3 words or as you want, but it needs to be little so the heart or the shape that you want fits it. And it could be a middle, it could be anything you want. So today we're looking for the heart and I'll show you the star. If we hurry up, I can show you. So let's start making. Okay, here is your heart. Saw it, if you press on it, you can do any color you want. Well, for now, I love pink and purple, so let's make purple or pink. I must make it a little bit flat. Make it big, but not bigger than your work plan. Make it perfectly this size. Or you can make it smaller. And this text, well, you can get it over here and click back. And you can write whatever you want. Hi or bye. Like anything you want. But today, because we're making something for Mother's Day, so we're going to write love. And you need to make it capital. There is our word love. Now we'll make enter and leave it, and then you. You can write any word you like. For instance, sorry, can you forgive me, like anything. Okay, and the last word, it could be mommy, daddy, anybody, like anybody you want, or character, or anything. So today I'm going to make my brother's name. I'm going to make his nickname because his real name is here, and it's a little bit long, so we're going to make his nickname. As you can see, his nickname is below. And you can make anything you want, just put that on your heart. You can put it like that without making a hole. But for me, I'm going to make a hole, or you can keep it like this. Like, don't move anything. Like, keep it like this. 3D. But if you're going to keep it like this 3D, the heart needs to be a little bit thicker. Like this. See the thickness? See it? See how it is? How do you feel? Now you can add anything, like you can make it a chain of like anything you want. Like, I don't know. Anything you imagine, you can do it in TinckerCad is the best. Like, the best. But this one, we need to, yeah. Okay, let's zoom in at it. Our heart, don't go any. And I forgot to tell you how to make it a hole. If you want to keep it like this, keep it. I just want to make it a hole. It's all. So it can be out and doesn't break. It needs to be thick so it doesn't break. Let's see if it's perfect. Yep. Definitely perfect. Like this. You know, it's to keep it safe, you know. I don't think this is on the right side. Make it a little bit down. And let's make it a lot of up. But when I get it down, it doesn't do anything. Like this too. A lot of up. And then we can like this. Okay, and now we can do our buddy. No, I need to move. I can't do this one. So let's get him over here so I can see more well. And let's make him burger. And bigger, please. There we go. But we need to let him, like we said, it's not bad to make it like this. Like it. Oh, no, it's not like that. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken. Don't do that. I'm mistaken. Nope, we don't need it like this. Yes. Okay, we didn't mean to do that. Yep, we need to do like this. Thank you. Now, because we did like this, we need to do this. And there you go. Make your make a group over here. Sorry, it's loading. It's loading. And there you have your own Valentine's or Happy Mother's Happy Mother's or Valentine's gift without getting out and don't know what to do and it's so much money. You can do your own thing with your and I want to tell you and warn you that TinckerCad is not too insane. It's on the internet. Just go to Google and you'll see TinckerCad. Okay? So bye for now and see you in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe and make a like and hit the bell button. Bye!